Hey kids, Mr. Jong here, and today I'm going to be introducing you guys to evaluating expressions. What does it mean? How do we use it in math? All that today. So, right off the bat, let's go ahead and unpack what it means to evaluate an expression. First of all, I'd like to go backwards by talking about expressions first. So, expressions are really just a series of numbers and operations, right? Think of these as simply numbers and operations. So these might be, for instance, 3 plus 3 is an expression. 2x plus 1 is an expression. All these are just mathematical instructions. Now, evaluating simply means make as simple or simplified as possible. So for instance, if I have the expression take 3, add 3 to it, I can rewrite this to be simply just the number 6. So when I say evaluate, I mean take an expression and rewrite it to an equivalent expression, but as simple as possible. And again, as simple as possible for us is a single number. Now, you may notice that sometimes we have terms with variables in it. Now, if I have a term with a variable, I can't just simplify because this variable, this is an unknown value. And until I know how much or what value this number is, I cannot simplify this expression. So, if we want to evaluate this expression, 2x plus 1, I need to know, well, what does x equal to? What is this acting as a placeholder for? So, in this case, just for this example, let's say x, well, that's going to represent 2. So what that means is that now that I know what this value of x is, I can replace that variable with its true value. In this case, we're going to use positive 2. So I'm going to rewrite this expression 2 times 2 plus 1. And now this looks just like our original expression up here, 3 plus 3 equals 6. So in this case, using the order of operations, I'm going to simplify 2 times 2 first. That can be rewritten as just positive 4. Then finally, the second step I have to do is add my 1 to that positive 4 to get positive 5. What this means is that 2x plus 1 when x is equal to 2, well, 2x plus 1 is simply equal to 5. So to recap, evaluating expressions just means to make an expression or a series of numbers and operations as simple as possible, ideally down to a single integer. If you have an expression with variables in it, you need to know what value those variables are first before you can use the order of operations to simplify that expression down to a single number. Hope that helps, guys. I'll see you guys soon.